Craft time with Ramsha. Woohoo! So I found this old velvet shirt at the flea market a couple of months back, and it was too small on the arms for me, but it's this gorgeous burgundy velvet, and I wanted to do something with it. So I've cut the sleeves off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch up the bottoms and come back in a bit to see what happens next. And we're back, and it's done. I've stitched up the bottoms of both of these. Sorry, my hands are shaky, but does the job. It's not going to be seen once it's turned the right way around. Up next, the sleeve edge I kept as original, and as most of you know, it's folded double over, so it's kind of like a tube all the way around. So the next step is to cut two little slits on the outside of this and do like a little edge on them. So I'm going to be right back with that. Welcome back. So I stitched up these slits in the sleeve area, as you can see. Sorry about my nails, but yeah. The next step is to take this ribbon that I've burnt the edges off so it doesn't fray and loop it through that. Now that I've threaded this through, I can do that. And there you have it. A really basic, simple pouch made from sleeves of a top. And just to make it a little bit fancier, I'm going to add this cool patch. Plant lady is the new cat lady. Because I'm going to use this to keep my metal straws and my portable chopsticks and my spoon.